Elevate your Notion workspace from plain text to visual storytelling by learning how to draw directly on your pages. To begin, open the Notion page where you want to add your drawing. Click on an empty line or within an existing text block to activate the cursor. Now, hover your mouse near the left side of the block, and you'll see a plus icon appear. Click this plus icon. A menu will pop up with different block options. Scroll down or type drawing into the search bar. Select the drawing block. Instantly, a blank canvas will appear, ready for your creative input. You can use a stylus for a more natural feel, or your mouse to sketch out diagrams, mind maps, or even quick illustrations. The toolbar at the bottom offers various drawing tools including pens of different thicknesses, a selection of vibrant colors, and a handy eraser to refine your work. Feel free to experiment with the different pen types, like the marker or highlighter, to add emphasis and visual flair. This feature is perfect for brainstorming sessions, visually explaining complex ideas, or simply adding a personal touch to your notes and documents. Once you're happy with your creation, simply click Done. Your drawing is now seamlessly integrated into your Notion page, enhancing its readability and collaborative potential.